In the quest to continue to support families during the month of Ramadan, Direct Aid Ghana has distributed food items to 20,000 families across Ghana at an estimated cost of 1 million Ghana cedis. The Mercy Center Director, who is in charge of the distribution, has underscored the reasons for their continued support to Ghanaians.
This year in Ghana, we distribute to our brothers here in Ghana what is the cost us 1 million cedi. And we expect to give the containers that contains different items to 15,000 families. And we are happy, of course, to be here for helping our community here in Ghana. We call it a seasonable project. We make some seasonable project like here Iftarat and Inadahi. But besides this, we have other in different fields. In education, we support the schools with different programs like feeding, like uniform, books, charts, training for teachers, etc. And in the field of orphans, our boys, our boarding students, we are spending to our boys here, our needy boys, and we give them complete thing from feeding to education to many things. Around 900 we are responsible for. And in water, we are making boreholes around Ghana. In construction, we are making construction of mosques, of Quranic school, etc. And in developmental projects, we make some projects for the needy to support them and to depend on themselves, like providing cows, goats, some small projects for them. This what shortly some of what we are trying to do, and we are very happy to do such a thing here in this very, very kind country and wonderful country.
The distribution is set to take place in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale. Some of the beneficiaries of the donation has this to say.
Getting this hadiah from this organization, it is going to go a long way to help me observe the fasting, inshallah. And then I would want to say thank you for the organizers of this wonderful donation.
May God bless them and give them more. We thank you.
May God bless them. Every year they've been trying this and I really appreciate them. May Allah bless them in this Ramadan fasting.
Direct Aid Society continue to touch the lives of Ghanaians in the area of education, health, scholarship, building of mechanized boreholes, among others.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.